The purpose of the demonstration in the city of Torino was to evaluate the effectiveness of 5G connectivity provided by Wind3 in supporting real-time drone operation for safety and emergency scenarios. Using the DROMThub platform, a BVLOS mission was carried out based on an automatic predefined flight plan. This setup allowed the control room to remotely monitor the mission, visualize the live video stream, and receive telemetry and GPS data from the drone in real time. During the flight, the drone followed a route towards a target on the ground, a person wearing a yellow jacket, symbolizing someone in need of search and rescue. Thanks to the 5G Wind3 network, the live video stream remained smooth and uninterrupted, while telemetry data ensured precise positioning and stable command control throughout the operation. Through the DROMThub interface, operators could follow the drone's real-time video feed, track its flight path, and monitor key telemetry parameters such as altitude, speed, and battery status. This integration demonstrated how 5G connectivity can empower emergency teams to make faster and better informed decisions, even from remote operation centers. Politecnico di Torino also presented the first version of their web-based tool for planning and validating BVLOS routes, a platform still under development, but with several core functionalities already implemented and tested. The demo day highlighted the added value of 5G in enabling reliable, real-time communication between aerial assets and ground control, paving the way for safer, smarter, and more connected emergency response missions.